Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for a Monzo credit card. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we need to do is head on over to the Monzo website. So from here, open up a web browser and then go to Google, type in Monzo Flex credit card and hit enter. Then we want to, if there's any sponsored results, scroll past that and find Flex Purchase, an award-winning credit card from Monzo.com. This is the official website for Monzo. And now a few things to consider to opening or apply for a Monzo credit card. So you need a current Monzo account is required to apply for Flex. If you don't have one, you can sign up through the Monzo app, or you can sign up by clicking on open a Monzo account here. So now from here, for this demonstration, I'm going to use the PC or website. So click on open a Monzo account. Now this is going to take you up to the sign up page. Now from here you need to start your application. So get started by telling us the email address you'd like to use to apply. So put in your email address here and then click submit. And then what will happen there, Monzo will perform a soft credit check to assess your eligibility without impacting your credit score. And then if you're eligible, you'll receive a personalized offer detailing your credit limit and interest rate. So you might get this via email or text. And then from there, you simply accept the offer. So if you choose to proceed, accepting the offer will initiate a hard credit check. So keep that in mind, which may slightly affect your credit score. And then from there, you can start using Monzo Flex. So once accepted, you can immediately use Monzo Flex for purchases both online and in store via Apple Pay or Google Pay. And once again, the eligibility criteria, you must be a UK resident of age 18 years or older, also have a Monzo current account, and you satisfy Monzo's credit and affordability assessments. And also, you need to make note that any missed payments can negatively impact your credit score, so use Monzo Flex responsibly to maintain and potentially improve your credit rating.